Hello guys, welcome to all of you. Let us see a question asked in NEET exam. This question related to power supplied by a dependent source. So in this question it is asked that the power supply by dependent source in the circuit shown below will be. The options are given in this question. So in this question, power supplied by 3I1 current source has been asked. Let us see how can we solve it. As we can see in the question that this 3I1 current source is given and voltage across this 3 ohm resistance is given plus minus Vx volt. Now assume this is node 2 and which is grounded, this is node 1, and as we can see that this voltage Vx is between this node 1 and ground. This ground will be appear at this node, so Vx voltage is across this 3 ohm. Now we can see clearly that this Vx voltage will also applicable for this 3I1 current source. Here 15 ampere current source is coming towards this node and I1 current is going out of this node. So by using KCL we can see that in this branch 15 minus I1 current will flow. By considering these assumptions, let us see how can we solve this problem. Now we will apply KCL at node 1. Then here we can see that this 3I1 current is coming towards the node, so it will be negative sign. This is minus 3I1. This voltage source is given positive here, so current will flow in outward direction from this node. So here current will be Vx upon 3. So positive sign since current will flow outwards in this branch. Now this 15 minus I1 current is flowing towards this node 1. So here it will be in negative sign. By solving, we can find out this equation number 1. If we apply KVL in this loop 1, if we move in this direction and apply KVL, then we can find out that here will be plus Vx. Since current is flowing in this direction, so here positive sign will be here, so second sign will be positive here, so positive plus 15 minus I1 here into 1 ohm minus in this resistance we can see that the second sign is negative, so minus 2I1. In this loop as we were approaching, so we have taken second sign in our KVL. It is easy if we consider first sign or second sign during our movement in a loop while writing the KVL. If we solve this equation, then we will find this is the equation number 2. If we solve equation 1 and equation 2, then I1 will be equal to minus 20 ampere and Vx will be equal to minus 75 volt. We can see that power delivered by these current source is Vx into 3I1, voltage into current, and since the current is moving out from this positive sign, so power delivered by this current source will be positive in sign. So here it is positive sign Vx into 3I1. As we have solved, Vx is equal to minus 75 volt, put Vx is equal to minus 75 volt into 3 into I1 value is minus 20 ampere. So total will be 4500 watt, or we can say this is 4.5 kilowatt. So in this question, 3I1 dependent current source is transferring or delivering 4.5 kilowatt power in the circuit.